Developing strategies. Negotiators must also develop strategies for achieving their objectives. This includes anticipating the other party's strategies and preparing counter-strategies. Experience the power of negotiation. Unlock your negotiating potential. What questions should a negotiator ask themselves when developing a strategy to achieve objectives? When developing a strategy to achieve objectives, a negotiator should consider the following main topics. Understanding the other party's perspective. This includes understanding the other party's goals, priorities, and concerns so that negotiators can effectively address them. Identifying common ground and areas of agreement. This includes understanding where the parties agree and disagree and finding ways to build on common ground. Identifying the other party's BATNA, best alternative to a negotiated agreement. This includes understanding the other party's best alternative option if the negotiation falls through, and how it will affect the negotiation process. Developing a BATNA of your own. This includes understanding the best alternative option you have if the negotiation falls through, and how it will affect the negotiation process. Identifying key issues and objectives. This includes determining what issues and objectives are most important to the negotiator and prioritizing them. Establishing a clear and fair process for resolving any disagreements or conflicts that may arise. This includes understanding how to handle any disagreements or conflicts that may arise during the negotiation process and how to resolve them in a timely and effective manner. Determining the level of flexibility and compromise that the negotiator is willing to make. This includes understanding the level of compromise that the negotiator is willing to make and how it will affect the final agreement. Developing a negotiation strategy. This includes understanding the different negotiation styles, techniques, and tactics, and how to apply them effectively in the negotiation process to achieve the negotiator's objectives. By considering these main topics, a negotiator can develop a comprehensive strategy that will help them achieve their objectives in the negotiation process.